Hey friends, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're gonna explore TopviewAI, which is a great website which allows us to do our marketing based on AI. And it's really simple, and let me show you how it works and what this platform has to offer. So first off, when you get started with TopviewAI, you can see there are various AI creation tools available for us. For instance, video avatar, product any shoot, create from prompt, face swaps if you want to do this. And if you scroll to the right, there are further options, like for instance photo avatars, text to image, and also the AI voice generator. But let's actually explore some of them. So for instance, let's start with the product avatar. The product avatar allows us actually to map our product with an avatar. So if you want to, for instance, promote any kind of product, we can easily do this. So let me show you how it works. If you click on product avatar, you land basically here. And what you can do is you can either use your own photo or you can choose one of these avatars. As you can see, I chose her. Just click on it. Then she's available here. And then you can also upload your personal product image, which you like to promote. And basically what happens is that the image, in this case, this specific product in the image, is then replaced with your specific product. And you can also take a look at the default AI prompt, but if you want, you can also adjust it. So when I tried it, I did not have to adjust it, but you could do it if you want to do that. And you can also switch to manual mode. Then you can map exactly in the image where the product is placed. So let me show you. If I switch to manual mode, I can exactly map, okay, this is the product I want to replace. But also this is not required, but you could do it if you want. So let me switch back to the prompt mode. And basically, as soon as you upload your product, you're good to go and you can generate this. And then in this case, TopviewAI generates this specific first image for you. And then you can convert this image into a video. And for the sake of time, I already did this. So let me show you the result. So let's go in this case here. There she is. And that's basically her. So I mapped my energy drink inside this specific image, and then I create a video based on that. And let me just show you that as well. Here she is.
I'm a product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products.
So you can clearly see that based on that, I created an energy drink can and I mapped this new product into the image, and then based on the image, I created this video. And the next step would be that you just go to use my script, and then you just replace what she has said currently in the video with your own script. And then you have a complete actually video where your product is promoted by, in this case, an avatar and with your own script. And quite easy to do. And also let me show you how that works. This specific step, so use my script, basically you land then in the product avatar section, which you can also reach directly from here. And then if I go to video creation, as you can see here, you just choose then your avatar. For instance, I have her as well, but you can also choose another one, for instance this one here, and then just map specific text or which you want her to speak. So for instance, you just enter your text here, choose the avatar, either one of those, or the one you have created, if you already have created one. Here's my second one, where she's holding a different product. And then you just click on generate. And then finally, you have specifically an avatar, which is speaking exactly your text. And let me show you in my project, I have her as an example. So let's go to her and play that.
Oh my God, can you imagine that this video is done via AI? That is unbelievable.
So you can clearly see that now she's actually speaking exactly the text which I gave her. Right? And you can download this, you can copy the link, that's also available here. And that's basically it. That is TopviewAI. So really a great platform for all doing this without having any knowledge, any prior knowledge. It's really easy to do, and I encourage you to try it out.